In this practice exercise, we will use the information for Majors Company to complete the income statement and balance sheet columns of the worksheet. The revenues, expenses, and income summary will be carried forward to the income statement columns. Sales, $253,908 in the credit column. Sales returns and allowances, $940 debit. Sales discounts, $1,880 debit. Interest income, $1,220 credit. Purchases, $88,840 debit. Purchases, returns, and allowances, $832 credit. Purchases, discounts, $1,448 credit. Freight in, $2,460 debit. Wages expense, $46,930 debit. Property tax expense, $2,860 debit. Interest expense, $574 debit. Income summary, $68,000 debit and $64,800 credit. This is related to the merchandise inventory adjustments using the periodic inventory system. Course fees income, $1,800 credit. Supplies expense, $10,025 debit. Insurance expense, $1,520 debit. Depreciation expense buildings, $13,500 debit. Depreciation expense equipment, $5,900 debit. We will now total our debit and credit columns. Our debit column equals $243,429. And our credit column equals $324,080. Since the total in the credit column exceeds the total in the debit column, we list a net income of $80,651 in the debit column. Revenues are greater than expenses. After we make the net income entry, we will total our debit and credit columns again. The ending balance of each column is now $324,080. Now Now let's work with our balance sheet columns. We will carry forward the assets, contra assets, liabilities, capital, and drawing accounts. Cash, $23,010. Debit. Notes receivable, $6,000. Debit. Accounts receivable, $28,540. Debit. Merchandise inventory, $64,800. Debit. Supplies, $2,415. Debit. Prepaid insurance, $590. Debit. Land, $120,100. Debit. Building, $128,000. Accumulated depreciation buildings, $63,500 credit. Equipment, $34,100 debit. Accumulated depreciation equipment, $25,500 credit. Notes payable, $34,600 credit. Accounts payable, $4,300 credit. Unearned course fees, $400 credit. Mortgage payable, $8,800 credit. RL Majors Capital, $252,774 credit.